Here's a quick domain and range example from page 134, number 6. They give you that the set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the set B is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. And they say the ordered pair A, B is in the relation if B equals A squared. So another way to write that would be that you'd have A comma, if B is A squared, you'd just write A squared is in R. So then let's think about all the possibilities. The input, that first value, has to come from capital A, so it could be 1, 2, 3, or 4. If it's 1, 1 squared is 1. Because 1 is also in B, this is in my relation. 2 would be 2, 4, because you square 2. Because 4 is in my set B, this is also in my relation. 3, 9, 9 is in the set B, so that's in the relation. 4, 16 is not in my relation because 16 is not in the set B. So my relation consists of the ordered pairs 1, 1, 2, 4, and 3, 9. So my domain is the set of all inputs, which is 1, 2, and 3. And the range is the set of all possible outputs, which is 1, 4, 9. So just to make sure we see, this 1, 4, 9 comes from these values, and the 1, 2, 3 come from these values. So the first piece of the ordered pair is your inputs or your domain, the second piece of the ordered pair is your range.